Once you go to the Google Play Store and download the app and open it, this is going to be the first screen that you are going to see. So go ahead and pick your language, and you can have this come up continually if you want to change between languages. And it's going to ask you to allow some things. We're going to go ahead and allow. And then we're going to go all the way down to settings. Okay, and this is going to pop up. Now, if you're an RFA member, you will have a free code to enter. It's only good for one use. So you would get a code per device. Let's go back down to settings. And now it's active. And so this will give you the app for free. If you ever cancel as an RFA member, then you would need to come back in and follow the steps to set up the subscription. So you'd do the same thing, uninstall the app, reinstall it, and then when you go to activate, you would just set up for the $5.99 a month. First thing that we want to do is turn on the Google Backup. This is going to ensure that your information is saved to your Google Drive. So for example, your forms and all sorts of things. So you want to make sure that you go through and set this up first, so then you don't lose anything. Just accept everything, and there you go. So now your Google Drive is set up. So then you can go through here and upload your company logo. This is what's going to show when you know, on a form, so like at the top of a form or anything like that. If you want to use inventory in the system, you keep that on. If you don't, just turn it off. If you want to do the glass replacement form, you can turn it off or on. Watermark, off or on. We're going to leave all of this on because we're going to go through every single one in this video series. Record payments in the app. If you want to change the theme color of the app, you can do that. Record payment information. So when do you want to enter the information for the payment? Do you accept payment up front, which would be when you start the intake, or when you close out the intake? We're going to put close out because I think most shops take payment after repair is done. If you take payment up front, just select the other one. Your language, your date format. We're going to put month, date, and year. And then here you want to enter your company information. Now this is going to print at the top of your PDFs that get produced for your customer, so keep that in mind. And then you want to enter your sales tax rate, which I believe is 6% here. So I'm going to put that for now. We may need to come back and change it later. And save. So now you can see that the whole thing has changed in color and the settings are set up. So let's go to the next video.